Food that went bad in Clinton during Monday's storm won't have to wait for garbage collection.
City leaders opened a disposable site at Erickson Park to help people get rid of that food that did not survive. People were able to drive through and allow Public Works to pick up their spoiled food from their trunks and then dispose of it. The free disposal was held this morning. It wrapped up just about 3:30 this afternoon.
Local 4's Leah Sims continues our team coverage with a lot of food going to waste.
It's been a busy day for Clinton Public Works as residents dropped off perishable food items as a result of Monday's storm. As cars rode up to the Erickson Center, city workers collected bags of spoiled food from residents.
So it's not sitting in their yard waste buckets or in their trash cans, and then the city's going to dispose of that for them.
It's an alternative to waiting on garbage service.
We've been without electricity now since Monday afternoon.
Good. Thank you.
For Clinton resident Mary Beth Smith, the last few days have been tough.
I had a refrigerator full of things, and of course they're not good anymore. So it's kind of a shame, but what can you do?
She says she had to throw out hundreds of dollars worth of groceries, which is disappointing. But she says she's grateful for the city for the help and disposing it all.
Otherwise, I'd have to put this in the trash in my yard, and the whole neighborhood would smell bad. And it's really nice to be able to just bring it here and get rid of it totally.
In Clinton, Aaliyah Sims, Local 4 News.
This was the last day for that disposal site. Garbage service will run as usual for anyone who missed it.